This is Swift, a new kind of mower from STIGA. Designed for complex gardens, Swift is both nimble and powerful. And it's a joy to use. It's compact for narrow spaces, super light to handle, and highly maneuverable. Crucially, Swift is engineered around 4 removable STIGA e-Power battery packs. They are developed and tested way beyond industry standards, so they power longer and live longer. When mowing, Swift intelligently synchronizes the e-Power batteries to get the best runtime and give you all the power you need while caring for battery health. Swift really does have it all. A shock-absorbing, high-impact polymer cutting deck, making it quieter. Short contra-rotating blades for precise, energy-efficient cutting. 3 blade speeds and 7 different cutting heights to choose from. Finally, aerodynamic geometry and a unique central grass ejection duct to throw cuttings at high speed into the collection box. Swift is comfortable for drivers of all sizes thanks to a flat footrest and the ergonomic seat position. And it's a cinch to control. 1 start button, 1 pedal controlling forward and reverse, an automatic parking brake, and a phone holder. Because Swift can connect to the STIGA Go app, giving you a virtual dashboard displaying real-time information about lawn coverage, battery charge, job completion time, and much more. But here's something unexpected. Swift is the only ride-on mower that can share its e-Power batteries with the whole STIGA 48-volt garden tool range, so you can care for your whole garden in a new way. Swift is so smart, efficient, and powerful that it can still mow on just 3 of its batteries. Her job is done, and soon the others will finish theirs too. Thanks to Swift and the shareable e-Power battery system from STIGA. Discover more at stiga.com.